David Groner is back with more estate planning tips with Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. David, welcome back.
Hey, good to see you, Lydia.
Good to see you too. Now today we're talking about children wanting to take care of their parents at home and not put them in a nursing home whenever they reach that age where they need that closer attention. But do they still need a trust? Would you advise that anyways?
Well, that's a question. First of all, every seminar, workshop that I do, the entire audience, if I ask people to raise your hand if you're going to a nursing home, not a single hand will go up. So nobody wants to go plan on being in a nursing home. But the statistics are really stacked heavily against us because the U.S. hospitals statistics show that after 65, 70% of us are going to need skilled care nursing at some point in time in our future. And so it's a laudable goal for each family to say, I'm going to take care of mom and dad. They don't have to worry about that. We got this. But the reality of it is, with diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia and stroke victims, it requires such skilled care, such constant attention. There's no way a family can generally handle that responsibility. So it's a laudable goal and everybody wants to do that, but realistically, we have to at least plan on the possibility of being in a nursing home, which means putting your assets in a trust. Because if you don't do that, you risk losing everything once that catastrophe happens.
And for the children themselves, maybe their parents aren't even near that age yet where they might need that skilled care nursing, but is it ever too early to start preparing for something like this?
It isn't, because life is dynamic. I have a good friend I was in high school with. He's got Alzheimer's and is in a nursing home. Who would have thought that that's possible? So it's never too early to plan for your future with good, solid estate planning. And especially after 60 years old, you really should realize, there's more years behind us than is in front of us, and we need to do some planning if we're going to take care of our children and our families.
And what is it you always tell us the time to start planning was yesterday?
5 years ago.
It was 5 years ago. Oh, that's right, because the 5-year look back period.
That's it.
I always get the saying wrong. The time to start planning was five years ago.
Yeah, and the next best time is today.
There we go. That next best time is today. If you want to start planning, you can give David a call at the number on the bottom of your screen or visit his website or one of his upcoming workshops to learn more and be able to ask questions as well in those workshops. That schedule is on the Facebook page for the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.